Well guys, just on our way over to the White House where the lathe lives. I gotta do, finally got the hubs ready for machining for my buddy Clinton over at Dirt Garage. So I'm gonna machine those up real quick for him and then yeah, get them sent off. I'm very excited to have a part in his truck. It's gonna be good. He just blew up one of his worn hubs, and by blew up I mean he just sheared all the studs out of his regular hubs, not the lock-in hubs. But yeah, he ended up doing all of his bearings and seals and stuff on the hubs, so it's a kind of crappy timing. I wish I could have had them out to him before, but away she goes. But anyways, I grabbed my rotor off of my solid axle for reference, so I can machine down the hubs so that the rotor will slip over top of it. Yeah, it's going to be a pretty good day, so I'll show you guys what's all involved in that. I'm pretty happy with that. Very close. That was to the edge of the hole, that measurement that I took. And it's not centered, obviously, so I'm thinking this is going to fit. So magic number is 5. Get this out of the way. There's chips everywhere. She fits. That's what we're aiming for. Like a glove. That is perfect. That's exactly what we need. So I'll do the other one up to 5, and yeah, these things will be ready for Clinton. Very excited. Gotta do a little bit of finish work on it though. have our number. That looks minty. Perfect. Well guys, there we go. One set of turned IFS hubs. I'm freaking excited. I hope Clinton's gonna be excited. Well, I know he's excited for it. Don't wanna pinch my thumb. There's one. There's two. Sweet. So I'll take these to work. I'll clean them up a bit, like buff them down, make them pretty, and then I'll get them boxed up and sent off to him. So thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, take care.